What is the anatomy of a conch? Have you ever wondered what makes a conch such a fascinating creature of the sea? These medium to large sea snails are not only beautiful but also have unique anatomical features that help them thrive in their ocean habitats. Let's take a closer look at the anatomy of a conch and discover what makes it special. At its core, a conch has a soft body that is protected by a hard, spiral shell. This shell is made of calcium carbonate, which the conch gathers from seawater. Over time, the shell grows in a spiral, with the oldest part at the tip and the newest growth at the opening, known as the aperture. Inside the shell, the conch's body is divided into several key parts. One of the most important is the foot, a large and muscular organ that allows the conch to move along the seafloor. Conchs use their foot to hop or lunge, and they can dig into the sand using a sharp, horny plate called the operculum. This operculum also serves as a protective door when the conch retreats into its shell. The head of the conch features two long, slender tentacles. Each tentacle has an eye at the end, enabling the conch to detect light and movement. Just in front of each eye there are small sensory receptors that help the conch sense its surroundings. The mouth of the conch is located at the end of a tube-like structure. Inside the mouth is a specialized tongue called a radula, which is covered with tiny, sharp teeth. The conch uses its radula to scrape algae and decaying plant matter off surfaces like seagrass blades. While conchs have a simple nervous system and do not possess a true brain, they do have clusters of nerve cells known as ganglia. These ganglia help the conch process sensory information and coordinate its movements. As conchs mature, their shells develop a thick, flaring lip around the aperture. This flared lip is a sign of maturity and provides extra protection. Juvenile conchs, often referred to as rollers, have thinner shells and lack this flared lip. From a marine life perspective, the anatomy of the conch is perfectly suited for life on the ocean floor. Their tough shells protect them from predators, while their sensory organs and feeding structures allow them to navigate and find food in sandy or grassy habitats. The way conchs build and maintain their shells demonstrates how marine animals adapt to their environment using materials available in seawater. For those interested in marine life, the anatomy of the conch is a captivating example of how sea animals utilize specialized body parts to move, feed, and protect themselves in the ocean. Observing a conch in its natural habitat can truly highlight the diversity of marine invertebrates.